Good evening. We are group 3, tutorial section 4, and I will begin this presentation by introducing my group members. My group members are Leong Jing Hao, Kenneth Liu, Li Fuyang, Li Yi, Li Zhe, and Xiao En. And the topic that we are presenting about today is the solution to the rising cost of wind energy. And as you can see here, these are our roles and responsibilities.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Xiaowen, and now I'm going to introduce our wind energy report, focusing on the background, problem statement, objectives, project scope, and also the conclusion. For background, wind energy is actually crucial for reducing fossil use and combating climate change. Wind turbines provide clean electricity, but their high cost limits widespread adoption. And for our problem statement, as you can see, the primary challenge is the high cost of producing, installing, and maintaining wind turbines, which can slow expansion and deter investment, especially in developing nations. And for objectives, our report analyzed cost reduction solutions and the elements contributing to high turbine costs, offering valuable insights for manufacturers, investors, and policymakers. And our project scope covers cost breakdown, which are manufacturing, setup, and maintenance expenses, key factors, which are material costs, technical issues, and logistics, case studies, which is global cost cutting strategies, potential solutions, which is innovations and technological advancement, and last but not least, policy recommendations, which is legislative actions to reduce costs and promote investment. Nation. So our report outline includes introduction, cost breakdown, key factors, case studies, potential solutions, policy recommendations, and also our conclusion. So for conclusion, reducing wind turbine costs is essential for expanding wind energy. By understanding cost factors and exploring solutions, stakeholders can lower costs and improve accessibility. Our report provides comprehensive analysis and recommendations for a more sustainable energy future. So move on to the next person. Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Kenneth, and this part we'll be talking about the literature review for this project. So for introduction, we have uh, the importance of this literature review. It's about wind turbines reducing energy costs and reliance on fossil fuels. We want to talk about the content in the articles about contract clauses linked final prices to financial law. And for example, we have the article from Viganji, which include the indexes like steel or labor costs. So this is our summary and evaluation of the articles we covered. For Ilias article in 2020, the main issue is the price increases due to supply shortage and rising commodity prices. The cost he reads is energy costs, labor costs, R&D costs, and etc. And the solution she gave is to reduce expenditure on costs. Next, we got the Palm articles from 2021. The focus of his article is offshore wind turbines, which also include our turbines project. So for the costs, he included capital costs, fuel costs, O&M costs, and other costs. So for the solution, he stated that to increase turbine and floated capacity to reduce transportation, installation, and maintenance costs. Solution in this part, we are tend to identify the challenges and opportunities for reducing wind turbine costs. The gap that we found out is that we need more research on life cycle costs, including decommissioning and recycling. For our future project, we tend to continue research and sector collaboration, essential for cost reduction and enhancing wind energy competitiveness.
Okay.
Our goal for this assignment was to develop strategies to reduce the cost of wind turbine energy. And the criteria that we took into consideration to achieve this was to extract relevant data and design effective solutions for the issue. The methodologies that we adopted were quantitative research as well as qualitative research. And quantitative research focuses mainly on providing reliable results through statistical analysis. And we applied this method of research by using hypothetical values in mathematical models that have been crafted. And for qualitative research, it focuses more on in-depth understanding of context and details, which gives us a better understanding on the issue at hand. And we applied this method of research by analyzing multiple studies to understand the cost factors. Done. Easy done.
Okay.
Let me explain our mathematical model. We use the sum and product rule and the inclusion and exclusion. We consider product cost P, work cost W, and serving sin cost S. Then the sum rule equation is C equal P plus W and plus S. Then we talk about limitation. Measuring our life is complete. Then second, applicability vary by induction. Then result depend on our life assumption. The model help us reduce our mapping cost for accurate conclusion. Thank you. It's okay. Clear.
My name is Li Fuyang. This part I want to talk about managing wind turbine cost and driving technological innovation. First, the sum and the product rules helps calculate the basic turbine cost, guiding our cost analysis. Secondly, the inclusion and exclusion principle identifies cost proportions and impacts, optimizing our spending force. We put what is impactful cost and minimize non-essential ones, focusing on simple cost effect R&D and materials. Wind turbines are crucial for renewable energy, yet hindered by high cost and technical barriers. To simplify product centralized manufacturing to cut transport costs and optimize raw materials like steel and materials.
In critical analysis, in order to make wind turbine economically viable, cost reduction is essential. We need to focus not only on economic benefits but also on environmental sustainability and ensure the recyclability of wind turbines to reduce environmental burden. In addition, there are differences in cost and solution in different regions, so we need to develop local strategies that are tailored to local condition and ensure that region differences are fully considered in goals achieved. Through these efforts, we aim to achieve the following goals: reduce wind turbines costs, make wind energy affordable and accessible, develop policies that support the growth of wind energy, and promote environmental sustainability. Led by these goals, we have achieved a number of important achievements like efficiency. Significant cost benefit have been achieved through increased production volume and standardization, optimize logistics, centralized production, and optimize the transportation, reduce transportation and strong and storage costs, etc. By reduce the cost of wind turbine and making wind energy more popular and affordable, we not only promote the development of renewable energy, but also bring wide range economic and social benefits.
Where's Jinghao? In conclusion, wind energy is vital for the global transition to renewable energy, but high cost in production, installation, and maintenance present significant challenges. Our report analyzed these cost barriers and propose solution through details the cost breakdown, the key factor analysis, and mathematic modeling technique. By balancing cost reduction with environmental sustainability and considering regional variation, our recommendation aim to make wind energy more affordable and accessible. Implementing these strategies will promote environmental sustainability, social welfare, and economic growth, guiding stakeholders toward a sustainable and energy secure future. Thank you. That's all for our presentation. That's all 不是最后一个咩？